Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. I hope you're exceedingly well. Wanted to do a very quick video to explain a trade that I took this morning. I took an Unfi USDT scalp, quick short scalp, started on 10x, ended on 25x to make more margin available in case it dumped more, but a nice 84% profit. And also to give you an announcement that I will be doing TA on the Bybit English Telegram group on a Wednesday, and that is at 5 p.m. UTC. So make sure you are on for that stream. So here we go. There's the link. I'll put the link in the description of my YouTube video. Secondly, to announce that on Thursday, the 1st of September, myself and Jordan Crypt SA, the Bybit South Africa ambassador, will be doing a live stream on my channel at 7 p.m. UTC plus 2. That is 5 p.m. UTC. So we're going to do an AMA. We're going to be doing technical analysis on BT, BTC, and alts and answering your questions. So it's going to be the first live stream on my channel. So please, I'm asking you, hop on there, support, comment, give it a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, because it'll give you a notification of when the live stream happens, and that will really help me with my YouTube algorithm. But let's get into the TA. So this is a bit of an educational post. As you can see, Unfi USDT this morning had a very nice move up from $7.71 and had a reversal there at $8.69 and 6. So I saw this move going up and I thought, is this a short scalp opportunity? And I hopped onto my phone very quickly. I've got TradingView on my phone, and I saw this 4-hour support resistance flip that I'd put on previously, and I saw this could be a potential area. So have a look here. It acted as resistance previously, resistance, flipped into support, and it's been a very, very nice pivotal area. Resistance came through the resistance, or support rather, came through, blasted through, acted as support again, and I identified that this could be a reversal area. But there's a very, very important fact, or 3 important facts why I took the short trade. And number one, if you go into the 1-minute time frame, I looked at some of my oscillators coming to the top of the move there, and as you can see, we had a move to the upside. Let me just draw a little trend line there. So we had higher highs forming on price. Okay, OBV was showing higher highs, but on this awesome oscillator, we actually had a lower high. Also on the RSI, we had a lower high. Now, I don't use these as the sole reason for entering the trade. I want to talk a little bit about CVD divergence, because I've been talking about it, and I did some TA on the Bybit South Africa Telegram group last night, talking about CVD divergence, why I stayed in my Bitcoin short trade. There you can see I was in profit 1,048. I've since taken 50% profit, and I'm still in 50% of that trade. And part of that was because of the CVD divergence. As you can see, coinalyze.net, I am on the Unfi USDT chart, and here you can see my CVD. So CVD is Cumulative Volume Delta. It's the difference between the shorts and the longs that are opened. And what is happening here is these are all of the orders that are taking place as market orders, or entering the exchange as market orders. So that means a lot of people were market ordering into the top here, and you can see that by this higher high on the CVD. And basically what that means is they were FOMOing in at the top, but look what happened to price. Price was making a lower high or a lower low. And that means that all of the retail traders that are coming in, FOMOing in at the top of these candles, wanting to get the breakout, were now trapped. And the larger participant, possibly a whale, was keeping the price down. So even though more longs were coming in, There's absorption here, and that's why I took the trade. And you can see price broke down very, very nicely below these areas, and I saw basically that what was happening. I think I actually spotted some possibly bullish CVD divergence. Let me see here, and I put my trade in profit at 825, and it got stopped out in profit over there. Let me see if I can see bullish divergence there. No, there wasn't quite bullish divergence, but yeah, I thought there could be a reversal. So that's it for CVD Divergence, and was a great trade. I'm going to look for some more scalping opportunities. So give me a thumbs up, and check the links in the description for the streams that are coming up. And I look forward to seeing you there. Get your questions ready. Have a great day trading.